Draw the shear and moment diagram for the loaded beam. What are the value of shear force and bending moment at the middle of the beam? So at this point, what will be the value of the shear force and bending moment? So first of all, we have to draw a free body diagram like this. I show the beam as line. This is a reaction forces and this is load. This is also reaction force, and this is moment which is acting at this point 6 meters from A and 3 feet from B. So this is the distances between these points. So this is 3 feet and this is also 3 feet and this is also 3 feet. This is reaction AY, AX and 2100 pounds feet. This is pound feet, 100 pound. Okay. Now summation of moment at this point will be equal to 0. The force which rotate the beam, this beam anti-clockwise, will be taken as positive. Okay, so there is by and its lever arm by multiplied by 9. So this is positive because it try to rotate the beam in anti-clockwise, and there is a pure moment which is 2100 in anti-clockwise, so it will be also positive 2100. And this is load which rotate the beam into clockwise. That's why it will be negative 100 multiplied by lever arm. This whole is act as moment, and this is a moment, and this is also moment. So by will equal to negative 2100 and positive 3000 divided by 9. This is 1000. This is 3000. Okay. So by will equal to 900 2100 minus plus 3000 minus 2100 plus 3000 divided by 9. It will become 900 negative 900 divided by 9. Sorry, positive 900 divided by 9. So by will equal to 100 pounds. Now summation of all vertical forces acting at this beam equal to 0. The force directed up will be taken as positive. So AY which is positive and BY which is positive and 1000 which is negative. So AY negative BY positive BY negative 100 equal to 0. So AY will equal to negative 100. I will plug the value of BY which is 100 plus 100 equal to 0. So AY will equal to 900 pounds. So AY is 900 pounds. Now we will draw a shear force and bending moment diagram. Now I have find that shear force and bending moment. This is a shear force. There is AY. I have AY value which is positive. So positive up to this 900. This is 900. Okay, pounds. And there is no load between this load and AY. There is no load. That's why it will be purely horizontal. After this, I have, there is 1000 pounds which is down. So 900 this and 100 this. So there is negative 100 pound up to this. And there is no other load, vertical or a horizontal load. So there will be a horizontal line, purely horizontal line up to this point. So this is by value have 100. Okay, so by will up, so there will be 0 at by. There will be 0 shear force. So shear force is maximum at this point. Okay, from this to this. Okay, and 0 at this point, 3 meter from A support A. Shear force will be 0. Okay, no, and the transition of shear force will be at this point, 3 meter from support A. Now I will find a bending moment. So the easiest way for finding bending moment is this. Okay, so let's say I find moment at A point. So moment equal to area, length multiplied by height. So there is a height is 900. So and length is 0. Here is length 0. So 900 multiplied by length is equal to 0. So moment at point A is equal to 0. Now moment at point A dash. Let's say this point is A dash. Okay. So moment at point A dash, moment at point A, previous moment, subtract area A1, this area. Okay. Subtract that area. So 0, moment at point A, previous moment is 0, negative 900, this is height multiplied by this length, 3 meters. So 900 multiplied by 3, negative 2700. So negative 2700 it's movement. Okay, now movement at point B dash. Let's say this is B dash. I will find later this point. So let's say this is B dash. Okay, or I will find this. So movement at point D. Let's say this is point D. This is D point. Okay, so movement at point D. Previous movement at point A dash, which is negative 2700, and area AD. So this is, for example, area AD. So this is the mid of this. So this length will be 1.5 meter, 1.5 feet multiplied by this 100. So 1.5 multiplied by 100, and this is negative. So it will be negative, and this from the formula this is negative. So negative into negative is positive. So negative 2700 positive 150. So movement at point D will be 2550 pound feet. Okay, so at this point 2550 pound feet. Okay, or feet pound. Now I will find the movement at this point B dash. Let's say this is point B dash. So movement at point B dash equal to movement at point A dash negative movement A2, or movement at point D. Okay, so you can use both, or this or this. So movement at point B dash is equal to negative 2700. Okay, which is a previous movement 2700 negative this negative into area this whole length. This is length and this is height. This length is 3 meter 3 feet multiplied by 100. Negative 3 multiplied by 100, so it will become 300. Negative into negative, it will be positive 2700. So M B dash will equal to negative 2400 plus 21. There is another moment which is 2100. So this is 27 minus 300, it will become 2400 positive this much moment which is 2100. So moment at point B will be equal to negative 300. So this is negative 300. So moment, this is point B. So moment at point B will equal to previous moment negative area A3. So this is A3, this length and this height. So moment at point B equal to negative 300, which is previous moment, negative 300, negative by formula, and negative 3, which is this area in negative portion. So negative 3 multiplied by 100, this is 300. Negative into negative, which is positive. So 300 negative positive 300 will cancel with the negative 300. So MB will equal to moment at point B will equal to 0. So at this point moment equal to 0.